Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer question A. We need to do journal entry of direct and indirect materials. So for this one, we need to put about work in process. And the next one, the factory overhead. So this one that is about materials in here. So work in process that is for direct material. Factory overhead that is about indirect material in here. So about this one, we zoom on for direct materials in here. And you will have about total DM. That is about 33,020. So we put this number go in here. Indirect material that is on here. So we put 1030 go in here. So we sum on two numbers together, and this one you got about 34,050. Now for the labor we have the same. That is about work in process. And the next one, factory overhead. In this one, we have wage payable. So we have this number in here. We zoom on four numbers. And you got about direct labor. That is about 13,300. So we put this number go in here. And this one, for this one in here, indirect labor. So we sum two numbers together, and this one that is about 23,730. So the next one that is about work in process. And the factory overhead. So to calculate this one, we need to know that the rate they apply for factory overhead, they have the same. So this one based on direct labor cost. So we have the total direct labor cost in here. Now I will select one unit of the job 301, or maybe you select about this right in here. So we have the total. We select this one. Now we want to find how many factory overheads based on the rate of the direct labor. So we will use this number in here. Multiply by the total. Then we divide by this one. So this one we have 6,215. So I will put this one go in here. The next one, that is about completing. So in this one, we need to put about finished good and work in process because there are two jobs that just finished in here. So we just zoom two number in here and you got about 25,210. So we put this one go in here. And this is the answer for all the questions. This is the end. Thank you for watching.